Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, FWD, HID headlights, navigation system, smart device integration. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.